At the enter your eye. Close down. Baby. Okay, you are disturbing me. My hand, just let me play whether not twinkle star. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm finally back, and if you're a new subscriber, you're welcome to my channel. I'm Oluwabumi Adejimo by name. Kindly please subscribe to my channel, click on the notification bell so you get updated each time I drop a new video. For my returning subscribers, thank you for sticking around, for being with me from the beginning. Yes guys, from the topic or the title of this video, you can see your baby now has a baby. Yes, and yeah, we'll be talking about that in another video. So I'm here with another makeup video, and so far I've cleansed my face. I have used the toner, I've used the moisturizer, and now I'm applying primer on my face. Is an oil control primer from CoverGirl Cosmetics. So yeah, I'm just blending it out on my face. Yeah, so the next thing I'm doing is I'm applying an illuminator just to give my face that shine. Yeah, you know, you want to pop. And now I'm using a glow mist from Naya Beauty Cosmetics. You can see that glow, right? So yeah, this is the bundle of joy, my baby Zion. Yeah, he was crying and I had to attend to him. It was really crazy while creating this video. Now I'm using foundation that was gifted by Taya Beauty Cosmetics. Yes, their foundation is really nice. You guys should check them out. Super blendable, lightweight, and yeah, it's waterproof. So I'm just blending it out. My face might appear too light. It's because I'm having a lot of discoloration, and that's the result of pregnancy, of course. So bear with me. And also I felt like the light was too much on my face. Now I'm highlighting my T-zone areas, and I'm using Milani Cosmetics I'm using Milani Cosmetics concealer, and yes, it's super creamy, very creamy guys, very creamy. And I'm blending all of that into my skin. You have to blending is key. Now I am contouring my face with LA Girl concealer in mahogany, and I think that's the darkest shade. And if you notice, I already put on my wig on my head, of course. Yes, so I'm blending all of this out. Please bear with me. I'm looking all crazy. Yeah, I know. Just bear with me, please. Like a lot of discoloration. Now I'm using a cream blush. I actually got this from my lipstick palette. I think the name is Girl or something. And yeah, they are super nice. It has really nice colors to create lovely lip look. And now I'm trying to draw my eyebrows. Yeah, I don't trim my eyebrows. I do not trim my eyebrows. So bear with me, like I said, if it's appearing too big. So yes guys, don't forget to turn on the notification bell. Don't forget to subscribe. Subscription is free. Please subscribe to my channel. Please share my videos and drop your comments about your thoughts or whatever video you want me to create, or whatever video you like to see. Don't forget to turn on your notification bell. So guys, I'm just trying to clean the edges of my eyebrows. I noticed at the end of the day the eyebrows were looking thin than I expected it to be. I'm a lover of both brows anyway, but just, yeah, whichever way. There's no specific way or ways in achieving a makeup look. Any way is a way, any which way. So yeah, I'm just trying to create my eyeshadow, and I did a smoky eyes for this look. As you can see, like, the whole process was off camera. I had to attend to baby, and what you can see now is I'm trying to add more definition to my face. Contouring, I contoured using a powder I was gifted by F&M Cosmetics. Yes, F&M Cosmetics. Their powder palette is top notch, I must confess. Yeah, I'm trying to line my eyes, and I feel like I like this pencil liner because it's more precise. I prefer it to the gel liner. It's easy to use than the gel liner where you have to struggle. So yeah, I'm just trying to line my eyes, and I'm using Lash Vida or Lash Diva liner. And yeah, I'm using mascara. This mascara is life, I must say. Like, it's super affordable, very, very affordable, and I know that a lot of makeup artists in Nigeria are actually
you're disturbing me, my hand.
Eyelashes, mascara, or what do they call it? Yeah, mascara. I'm sorry, I'm nervous. Just bear with me. Yeah. So it was a struggle trying to create this look. Baby was crying. Like, a lot of things are happening at the same time. Yeah, I'm just trying to blend the excess powder off my face, like patting in and not dragging. You want to pat in and not drag. Yeah, blending out the setting powder. You don't want to have a harsh line. I'm just patting and repeating the process, and yeah, that's just it. I'm really rushing because I don't want this video to be too long. In fact, I just had to post. I never had planned to make a video. I just said, let me just record for recording's sake, nothing serious. So I know as time goes by, my videos will get better. Yeah, so I'm going back again with a liner. I'm really nervous. I don't know why. Maybe because it's been a long time. It's over a year I dropped a video. I pray to be consistent. Now that I've started again, I pray to be consistent. Yeah. Now see that beauty. Can you see this beauty? Yeah, the beautiful girl in the video. Yeah. So I'm just trying to lighten up my eyebrows so they look more natural. You know, it's natural from the way I drew it from the beginning, but I want it to still look seamless. You get it? If you don't get it, forget about it. Yeah, so I'm just doing that. It's a clear brow gel actually, but because I've been using it over time, it's looking brownish. Yes. So to tell you that I used my money out of it. Yeah, I used my money out of it. I've been using this for like a long time, and yeah, I'm still using it because I paid for it, of course. And now just check out this fine girl. At the enter your eye. Close down. So yeah, I did my lips off cam, as you noticed as well, and I used the same lipstick palette I use as my blush. Yeah, like I said, the colors in it are really, really lovely. They are dope. And guys, this is the finished look, and this is what it looks like low light. Yeah, I love it. I don't know about you, I love it, but tell me what you think about this look in the comment section. Tell me what you think about this look in the comment section. So it's really a serious one because I couldn't even style my hair. I just had to rush everything up so I could attend to him. He was really crying, and it's just crazy. Motherhood is crazy. If you're not ready, please don't try, or not go choke your leg inside though. Like, I'm an advocate of don't have babies if you're not ready mentally, physically, financially, or the shally. Just don't. I'm just trying to struggle to get the perfect angle of this of the camera, but yeah, this is what it looks like anyway, because of the fact that I've been standing, sitting, going back and forth trying to put the baby to sleep. I lost that positioning. So yeah, that's just it, sha. I know this video is not perfect enough, but yeah, I don't think there's a perfect video because there's always a mistake one makes. Yeah, so guys, thank you so much for watching. I would love to get your feedback in the comment section. I'll definitely be replying to all the comments. Tell me what you think about this video. Yeah, like I told you, I have a lot of discoloration, so bear with me. My neck is darker than every part of my body. Yes, so yeah, thank you very much for watching my video. Do not forget to subscribe, do not forget to like, do not forget to share, do not forget to comment. Yeah, do not forget to turn on your notification bells so the next time I'm dropping a new video you get notified. Okay, yeah, thank you so very much for watching. I love you guys. Bye.